Deepak, you're on the stage right now. You can
Hello,
talk to
hello,
us.
sir. So I wanted to give the feedback here itself. So it is a wonderful 3 day session, and definitely it was really enlightening, informative, and for somebody like me who's come from a different background completely. So it was really until Friday morning. This is completely a new thing, and it's like a Greek and Latin for me. And now I could make something, but still have to go through the videos again and again in order to get a hold on the subject and before I step into this field.
Yeah, thank you
So
so much for your
thank you
feedback.
very much. Thank you very much.
Yeah, I think another learner, Anku, wants to give the feedback.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Hello.
Anku.
Am I audible?
Yeah, Anku.
Yes.
Yeah, you are audible, Anku.
Okay. I think it was a very good session. I had a lot of doubt regarding BRSR, and now I think most of them are clear. And I think while making the BRSR report in the future, I can solve other doubts as well. Overall, I think this course was very good and very helpful for me.
Thank you so
Thank you
much,
very
Anku. Thank you so much.
Hello.
Turning,
Yeah.
sir, turning on
Yeah.
the video is available for you?
No, now it's almost for me it's 12 o'clock
Midnight.
Yeah.
in the night. Yeah. Thanks, Regeneva team, particularly all three of you. It was a very learning 3 day session. Already in this almost in this similar work environment, so I am aware of a lot of things what you have. For me, it was a refreshing course. And since being almost 20 years outside India, so I was just want to see what is happening in the regulatory mechanism in India, particularly on the environment side. So that's the reason I joined this course. Looking forward to contribute in this area near future when I move back to India. So that is the reason why I'm looking for the output from this course. Thanks everyone, and thanks particularly the Regeneva. I'll look forward to continue upgrading myself on this journey.
Thank you very much, sir.